Well, there we go. Got her in there. Header's fitting pretty good. I'll have to do a little adjustment to the exhaust. They're a little longer than the little 383 headers the little 383 that we had in there. Not a big deal. Longer is better than shorter. I just have the two bell housing bolts in. I've got the torque converters all bolted up. Engine mounts are all bolted up. I've got one more bolt to put on this side, but I have to do the dipstick first. I'll have to figure that one out. And put the radiator in, and I want to change the the dipstick tube for the transmission, and we had a little bit of a bloodletting. Not a big deal. Is what it is. All right, well, fits in there pretty good. I mean, they came stock with these two. It's going to be a little bit of a hassle getting plugs in, but won't be too bad. It's not going to be over the top horrible. It's just going to be what it is. All right, thanks for coming along for the ride, and be a little more progress tomorrow.